Find the factors of root 72. So for this question, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the factors of root 72, and then along the way we will simplify our answers where possible. Okay, so the first factor, we've got root 1 times root 72. Then we've got root 2 times root 36. Now root 36 is 6, so the square root of 36 is 6. So I'm going to rewrite this one as square root 2, and then we've got 6. I'm just going to neaten that up, which is 6 root 2. So we've got root 1, root 2. The next one I'm going to try is root 3. So we've got root 3, and we've got root 24. Then we've got root 4, and then root 18. And then we know that the square root of 4 is 2. So I'm going to put a 2 there, so I can neaten this one up as well. So the square root of 4 is 2, and then we've still got root 18. The next one we've got is root 6. So we've got root 6 multiplied by root 12, which is root 72. The next one is root 8 multiplied by root 9. So all of these here are factors of 72, and as you can see, for some of these we can simplify our answers because we know what the square root of 36 is, and again with this one we could simplify our answer because we knew what the square root of 4 was. Explain why y minus 5 is a factor of y squared add 2y minus 35. Okay, so if this is a factor of y squared add 2y minus 35, then that means that y minus 5 multiplied by something equals y squared add 2y minus 35, and we've got to find out what that something is. Now, because this is a multiplication question, we're going to be using the grid method to work out what we multiplied y minus 5 by. Okay, so we've got y minus 5 multiplied by something which is equal to the answer. So I'm going to put the answer in the grid. So we've got y squared there and we've got negative 35 there. So we're trying to think of y multiplied by something, which gives us y squared. So that's got to be y. Negative 5 multiplied by something is negative 35. So that's got to be 7, because 7 times negative 5 is negative 35. And now we can fill in the rest of the grid to see if we do get the answer. So we've got y times 7, which is 7y. We've got negative 5 multiplied by y, which is negative 5y. If we now add up everything in the grid, so we've got y squared, then we've got 7y's, take off 5y's, which are positive 2y's, and then we've just got a negative 35 on the end there. And that's exactly what we were trying to get to in the question, so it's exactly the same. So we have found the other factor of y squared add 2y minus 35. So therefore we can write down y minus 5 is a factor of this because it was multiplied by y plus 7 and it gave us the answer, which was y squared add 2y minus 35. Find the factors of root 72.